Let's take a look now at the breadth of content in the system. I'm going to move to the topic list now. We've got some introduction to finance. So this is covering sales and trading, investment banking, etc. We've got corporate finance content, which is accounting, modeling, valuation, M&A, private equity. But we've also got some project finance and financial data tools, things like how to use FactSet. We've got commercial banking, which is mostly credit, but also includes transaction banking and restructuring, capital markets, which is sales and trading, asset management, and we've got some industry specific content. So if you're going into a team that focuses on one particular industry, like banking, insurance, real estate, healthcare, telecommunications, oil and gas, technology or renewable energy, you've got very specific content for you as well. Risk management, economics, data science and system, including Python and SQL. And we've got some fundamental skills, some basic skills, things like Microsoft Office, how to use Word, Excel, PowerPoint, accounting, Excel and math. And we've got some professional skills and careers. Let's just take a look at professional skills because we've got communicating, driving your career, and how to write effectively. Also, we have some career content as well, and this is great for interns. It's some interview skills. It's also some interviews with experts like a private equity expert, a research expert, and also an investment banking expert as well. And we have an interview simulator, and the simulator actually is an interactive simulator where you listen to a video, get asked a question, and then you can actually answer the question in the system and get feedback.